The 2024 BMW X5 M Competition is a testament to BMW's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. Following the premiere of the refreshed 2024 BMW X5 in early February 2023, the M Competition variant made its debut, signaling a new era for the luxury SUV segment. This model is set to go into production at BMW's Spartanburg, South Carolina plant in April 2023 and will be showcased to the public at the Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance. In terms of pricing, the X5 M Competition is priced at $123,295. Under the hood, the M Competition continues to harness the power of a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. However, a significant update is the addition of a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This system incorporates an electric motor that delivers an additional 12 horsepower and 147 pound-feet of torque. Despite these additions, the total output remains unchanged from its predecessor, boasting 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. BMW emphasizes that this hybrid assistance enhances acceleration from a standstill and also offers improved fuel efficiency. The V8 engine has been refined with new components such as a crossbank exhaust manifold, reinforced crankshaft drive, and an electrically controlled blow-off valve for the turbos. Additionally, the air intake duct has been revised, and a vane-type oil pump has been introduced. An M Sport exhaust is standard, featuring updated catalytic converters that effectively reduce emissions. Performance-wise, the X5 M Competition can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, matching the timing of its predecessor. The top speed is electronically capped at 155 miles per hour, but with the optional M Drivers package, enthusiasts can push it up to 177 miles per hour. BMW has also made tweaks to the transmission, introducing shorter gear ratios for the initial 3 gears. The oil sump is now cast aluminum, equipped with cooling fins and an expanded fluid capacity. On the exterior, the 2024 M Competition models have been given a facelift. They now sport slimmer headlights and the iconic kidney grills are presented in an all-black finish. BMW has also introduced new exterior color options such as Brooklyn Gray Metallic, Isle of Man Green Metallic, and Frozen Pure Gray Metallic. The interior of the X5 M Competition has seen significant upgrades. A standout feature is the BMW Curved Display, which merges a 12.3-inch information screen with a 14.9-inch control monitor, all under a single bezel. The standard cabin design incorporates carbon fiber trim, but BMW offers customization options like fine-line black or silver ash. Root open pore wood for those seeking a touch of elegance. In conclusion, the 2024 BMW X5 M Competition is a harmonious blend of power, luxury, and innovation. With its mild hybrid system, refined engine components, and state-of-the-art interior, it stands as a testament to BMW's prowess in the luxury SUV market. Future owners can expect not only a thrilling driving experience but also an embodiment of modern luxury and technological advancements. Safety has always been paramount for BMW, and the 2024 X5 M Competition is no exception. The vehicle is equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring both the driver and passengers are protected at all times. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking are just a few of the technologies that work in tandem to provide a safer driving experience. Furthermore, the inclusion of a 360-degree camera offers drivers a comprehensive view of their surroundings, making parking and tight maneuvers a breeze. The infotainment system in the 2024 X5 M Competition is a marvel in itself. BMW's iDrive system has been lauded for its user-friendly interface and responsiveness. With seamless smartphone integration, drivers can access their favorite apps, navigation, and music with ease. The system also supports voice commands, allowing drivers to keep their hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Additionally, the premium sound system ensures that every journey is accompanied by crystal-clear audio, whether it's your favorite playlist or an engaging audiobook. Comfort is another area where the X5 M Competition shines. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, offering both heating and cooling functions. The spacious interior ensures ample legroom for all passengers, making long journeys comfortable. The adaptive suspension system further enhances the ride quality, adjusting in real time to road conditions and ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the terrain. Ambient lighting with customizable colors adds to the luxurious feel of the cabin, creating a serene environment for both the driver and passengers. For those who prioritize sustainability, the X5 M Competition offers several eco-friendly features. The mild hybrid system, while enhancing performance, also plays a role in reducing the vehicle's carbon footprint. The regenerative braking system captures energy during braking and uses it to recharge the battery, further optimizing fuel efficiency. BMW has also incorporated eco-friendly materials in the cabin, emphasizing their commitment to sustainability without compromising on luxury. BMW X5. Competition is not just about luxury and performance, it's also about versatility. The spacious trunk offers ample cargo space, making it perfect for weekend getaways or shopping sprees. The rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items, and the vehicle also boasts a towing capacity that is commendable for its class. Whether you're heading to the mountains with your gear or pulling a trailer, the X5 M Competition is up to the task. The 2024 BMW X5 M Competition is a holistic package, offering a blend of performance, luxury, safety, and versatility, making it a top contender in the luxury SUV segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.